we're off to a undisclosed location to go and look at a barn owl. Now this barn owl's been spotted by the people that live there on the farm, and she messaged us, SNA Photography, if we want to go along and take some pictures. I think I'll do one better. We'll take some video footage as well. So for once I thought I'd do a video. Not done one for ages. I think the last one we did was when we went wild camping up in Gilborough, which was fun. Bought some camouflage gear the other day. I've used it once so far, but I need to get up early in the morning. I've got two things I want to do. One is photograph a kingfisher, and the other one is to photograph a fox. But they both mean one thing: you've got to get up early in the morning. So it's doable. So we've dropped the car off. Look at these views. Apparently the barn owl, flies in through the window or through the opening on the side. Should get some good pictures of that. But the other day I was told it was attacked by a little owl. I'm so looking forward to today's photography. So, quite a walk. I can imagine I can bring my car down here, but I enjoy the walk as well. It's about 6:30 now, so by about 7:30 they'll be playing out hopefully, and I'll have some awesome shots. Still no joy yet. I've got a couple of hares, some curlews, and 3 cyclists. You can hear the curlews. The sheep's been up twice and sniffed my leg and walked off. Kept dead still. It's still, the sun's up, it's still a little bit too early for these owls. Barn owls and little owls. Catch up on some of your thoughts here. So I'll definitely be coming back here again. Seen some cuckoos. Got an awesome spot for sunset, and the wildlife is just untouched. It's fantastic. Right, well, I'll get home, I'll do the pictures and I'll put them on here. So see you later, guys.
When the music captures our soul, we live for the music, we die for our music, and that's what makes us who we are. We are all searching for that one moment.